Yay!
Good job.
I can't do two hands right now. I only have one.
Two. Yeah!
Did you get that on film?
No, I just missed it.
He'll do it again.
Yeah, I hear a police car. Oh, fire truck.
Fire truck. Oh, the house is going to burn down by the
Hear a
time
big
they get
fire
there.
truck. You hear it?
Did you see the thing on the news this morning?
Turn
where
me in our basket.
They pimped that fire truck, all jacked up and all.
Really?
Yeah.
What won't they pimp?
They're using it as training.
Yeah.
The firemen
it.
are pulling it.
Throw it.
There it goes.
Ah.
This is so rare. You never see that.
Almost.
Wow. He's getting further and further away too. More control. Wait, he's like at a foul shot. You know? Century's so good. Whoa!
Yay!
Yeah! Good!
Awesome. Oh.
You want your knee pads?
I thought of putting your half gloves on him. I don't know if they'd be,
Almost.
They'd still be a little big, but they'd be better than
well,
what
it
I've
would at
been
least
giving
protect
him.
his palms
Yeah.
where
Where he
usually
falls, yep.
lands. Yep.
Yay!
Left daddy. Two hands that way. One here and one here. Confusing? Two.
All right, do Pap. Get Pap
Hurry
5.
up. Hurry up.
Did you
Hurry
hear
up.
him say 2-1 chat?
Yeah. Yeah, I got boo-boo yesterday when we were cutting the tree.